Hey guys, it's Eric, and today we're going to look at my most recent purchase of this Pelican AirTag stick-on case. Now, this is great to use on your Pelican cases if you want to track that or if you happen to misplace it, but it's not just for Pelican cases. It is for anything that has a flat surface that you want to stick this onto. And if you happen to misplace or lose that item, you can go into the Find My app and ring your AirTag or try to track it with the Find My community. Now, this is all plastic. It comes with adhesive on the back, plus it includes one extra adhesive. You can open this up, and there's a little opening, and it does take a little bit of effort to open it up. And when you put your AirTag in, you want to put it face up, silver side up. Unfortunately, if you have it engraved, you cannot turn it around. That way it won't close all the way. And then you can put the cover back on, and it just snaps together just like that. And then you just glue this onto whatever you want, and it's not going to come off unless you really try. And so what's great about this is that it's small, it's plastic, it's durable, it protects your AirTag, and if you happen to misplace it, you can go into the Find My app and find your misplaced item. Comes in a bunch of different colors, which I really like, and I highly recommend this if you have things that you don't want to misplace or lose, because AirTags are great, and this is a great way to attach them to things. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.